Wildcat's mission log, 16.5. If a man's home is his castle, then a man's company is his kingdom. And Halo Enterprises seems to have barbarians at the gate. Ugly ones, too.
The optics lab. That's where the lens is. Move it!
Warning! Wildcat presence detected.
No kidding. Let's shred them, Wildcats.
Shredding's a specialty of mine.
Damage!
You'll pay for that, Kodowitz!
Do not make threats for which you have neither the stomach nor the taste.
Time to cook the cat.
Let him go!
That's more like it.
Mission terminated. Abort! Abort!
I hear that!
What did you think they were after?
Whatever it was, they didn't get it.
Grifter will be sorry he missed the action.
Yeah, where is the G-Man anyway?
He has gone to greet an old friend. He hopes.
It's midnight. Technically, he's a free man now. But it's not our policy to release any prisoner we're holding until morning.
You weren't holding him, he was just doing his time.
You seem pretty confident.
I trained him myself. He could have left whenever he wanted.
Not a chance. That prison is equipped with Halo Security's best equipment.
Care to back that statement with, say, 50 clams?
50? How about 5?
Wimp.
All right, 50 then. But there is no way.
Gentlemen, real sorry to have kept you waiting.
All right, Mr. Lonely. You're a free man now. Try to stay that way.
No problem, Warden. Lonely's gonna be helping my good buddy Mr. Marlowe here improve his security systems. Right, Moneybags? By the way, pay up. Welcome to the Straight and Narrow, kid. Ready to go legit?
Been ready for 2 years, Cole. Good to see you.
I must be out of my mind. Hiring con men and crooks. Next thing you know, I'll have a Damonite on the payroll.
I am running out of patience, Duckwell. How dare the Troika bungle a simple robbery?
It was the Wildcats, Lord Hellspawn. We cannot make a move against Halo Enterprises without their knowledge. Perhaps we should obtain the lens elsewhere.
No! Only Halo makes the X-ray lens I need to find the orb. And with it, regain my dominion of the galaxy. Fortunately, I have a plan to completely neutralize Halo security.
Whoa! A Halo System 8. Top of the line.
Yep, but remember what I taught you. A drop of graphite on the friction wheel and the scan motor skids to a halt.
That was the System 7, Cole. The System 8 has a toothed wheel. Hey, I did what you said. Used the time in prison to study.
Proud of you, kid. Makes you the right man for the job.
Cole? I just got one question. You know, back when we were pulling jobs together, you always said the only thing that mattered was the money. What changed your mind?
I found something that mattered even more, kid. I'd like you to meet him now. The Wildcats. Folks, I'd like you to meet Lonely. He and I robbed a lot of places together. He did time that I probably should have done myself. But he's going straight now, like me. And he's gonna help us improve our security systems.
Mr. Lonely, the Grifter has proven himself to be an able member of the Wildcats team. Because of his recommendation, we are giving you a chance.
Right. But one chance is all you get. Understand?
That's all I ask, sir.
Good. Then step into my office. We got things to discuss.
You are certain this is wise? The man was a criminal.
So was I, remember?
Yes, but...
Hey, you and the Wildcats, you gave me a second chance. I just figure it's time I did the same for somebody else.
So, you're the expert. You tell me. How do we revamp Halo security?
Well, sir, like I demonstrated at the prison. Use an expert such as myself to find the weak spots.
You mean stage a break-in at my own company?
Exactly, sir. I'll try to bypass security and determine the weak spots. Have you had any problems lately?
Funny you should mention that. Had a security breach just the other night at Halo Optical.
Ah. Then perhaps we should start there.
Sounds good. We'll do it tomorrow night.
Lord Hellspot.
Ah, Duckwell. I hope for your sake you bring good news.
I do indeed, Lord Hellspot. A security test is scheduled for tomorrow night at Halo Optical.
Excellent. Excellent. Then as soon as the security systems have been bypassed...
Yes, Lord. The X-ray lens will be ours for the taking.
And with it, the orb. And thus the galaxy will soon be mine.
Have a seat, Grifter. Need to talk to you.
Sure. Hey, I hear you're gonna let Lonely stage a test at Halo Optical. That's great. If the security system has some weak points, the kid'll find them. No sweat.
That's kind of what concerns me, Grifter.
What do you mean?
It's your friend Lonely. When he was in here yesterday, he was wearing a Damonite bug. Void spotted him.
Now wait just a minute. Lonely's straight.
Calm down.
You know he is. Heck, he could have busted out of prison long ago, but he wanted to do his time.
I said, calm down! I'm not accusing Lonely of anything. That's a Damonite transmitter dart. Could have been fired from anywhere.
From its location on his clothing, it is doubtful that Lonely even knew of its presence.
But it does mean that old Smoke Skull knows about our planned security test.
Then we'll have to cancel.
No. Better we go ahead with it. It's our chance to catch Hellspawn off guard. But we'll take precautions. The Damonites are sure to attack once the system's been disarmed.
Any idea of Hellspawn's objective in the raid?
Yeah. This. It's an X-ray lens. Halo Optical's the only place that makes them. Gotta be what he's after.
Records of